Hello. Your passport and ticket, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags?
Yes, one bag.
Please put it on the scale.
Like this?
Yes. Your bag is checked in. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 17:40.
Thank you. Where is security?
Straight ahead, then turn left. Follow the signs.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Good afternoon. Can I have your passport, please?
Here you are.
Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, one suitcase and one carry-on.
Okay, please put your suitcase on the scale. It is a little over the weight limit.
Oh, do I need to pay extra?
You can pay $40, or you can move some items to your carry-on.
I will move some items to my carry-on.
No problem. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. I will print your boarding pass now. Would you like an aisle seat?
Yes, please. Is one available?
Yes. You have seat 14C.
I have a layover in London. Do I need to pick up my luggage there?
No, your luggage goes directly to San Francisco. Here is your boarding pass. You are all set. Please go to the gate 45 minutes before departure.
Perfect. Is the flight on time?
Yes, the flight is on schedule. Have a nice flight.
Good morning. Please put your bags on the scanner.
Okay, here they are.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Yes, I have a small bottle of water.
Please take it out. You can't take large liquids.
Oh, sorry. I will remove it.
Do you have anything metal in your pockets? Keys, coins, or a phone?
Yes, I have my laptop and keys. I will put them in the tray.
Now please walk through the metal detector.
Okay.
It beeped. Do you have a belt?
Yes, I forgot. I will take it off.
Thank you. Try again. Great. All good. You may collect your things.
Thank you.
Have a safe trip.
Excuse me, sir. This is a random security check.
Okay, that's fine.
Please stand here and raise your arms.
Like this?
Yes. Do you have anything in your pockets?
Yes, I have some coins. Here you go.
Thank you. I will check your shoulders and waist.
No problem.
All right. You are all clear.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. How can I help you?
I'm looking for gate B12. Where is it?
Gate B12 is in Terminal B on the second floor.
Okay, am I going the right way?
Yep. Keep walking straight. Take the escalator up and then turn left.
Straight, up, and then left.
Yes, that's right. You'll see signs for gates B10 to B20.
Okay, thank you. Is gate B12 far?
Not too far. Maybe 5 minutes from here?
Perfect. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Hi there. Boarding for Flight 327 to San Francisco. May I see your boarding pass and passport, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Perfect. You're in Group B. You can board now through the gate on the right.
Great. Thanks. Is this line okay?
Yes, that's the one. Just scan your boarding pass at the machine, and you're good to go.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Have a good flight.
Hello. Excuse me, is this seat 14C?
Yes, welcome on board. Your seat is on the left side.
Thank you. Is it an aisle seat?
Yes, 14C is an aisle seat.
Great. And where can I put my bag?
You can put your small bag under the seat in front of you and your bigger bag in the overhead bin.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me, could I have some water, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks. Also, do you have a snack?
Yes, we have sandwiches or fruit. Which would you like?
Sandwich, please.
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Excuse me, where is the restroom?
At the back, on the right.
Thanks a lot.
Hello. Passport, please.
Here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism.
How long will you stay?
2 weeks.
Where will you stay in San Francisco?
At the Marriott Hotel.
Have you visited the U.S. before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay. Welcome to the United States.
Thank you.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you. Hi, excuse me. I want to buy a SIM card.
Hello. Do you want a prepaid or postpaid SIM?
Prepaid, please.
Okay. How many gigabytes do you need?
5 gigabytes, please.
That will be $40.
Here is $40.
Do you want me to put the SIM in your phone?
Yes, please.
Done. Your phone number is +1 415 123 4567.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Hi, taxi. Can you take me to the Marriott Hotel, please?
Sure. Do you have a reservation?
No, just the hotel address.
Okay, hop in.
How much is it to the Marriott Hotel?
About $40, depending on traffic.
Okay, that's fine.
How long does it take to the hotel?
About 30 minutes.
Good.
Here we are, Marriott Hotel.
Thank you. How much do I pay?
$40, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Welcome to Marriott Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Do you have a room available?
Yes, we have a room. How many nights will you stay? 2 nights, please. Okay. Single or double room?
Single, please.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. The room is $150 per night.
That's fine. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, you can.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Here's your key. Your room is 305 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. Could you tell me where the elevator is?
Sure. Go straight, then turn right.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Welcome to Marriott Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a booking.
Great. What's your name?
My name is John Smith.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, I found your booking. You will stay for 3 nights, right?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Could I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Your room is 412 on the 4th floor. Here's your key card.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 6:30 to 10 a.m. on the 2nd floor.
Perfect, thank you. And what's the Wi-Fi password?
The network is Marriott Guest, and the password is Welcome 2025.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Hey, you made it. Welcome to San Francisco.
Jane, so good to see you. How are you?
I'm great. How was your flight?
It was long, but okay. I'm just happy to be here.
Nice. Where are you staying?
I'm at the Marriott Hotel. I just checked in.
Oh, that's a good area. You'll like it.
How long have you been in San Francisco now?
It's been 1 year already. Time goes fast.
Wow, 1 year? That's amazing. Do you like living here?
Yeah, I do. The city is beautiful, but sometimes a little busy.
I can see that. The airport and the streets were full of people.
True. So, what do you want to do first?
I'm a bit tired, but maybe we can walk around.
Perfect. There's a great coffee shop near your hotel.
Great, let's go. I want to hear everything about your life here.
And I want to hear all your news, too.
Chitchat English.